Hello students, in this video we'll be doing exercise 5.2 of chapter 5 data handling NCERT class 8 maths. If you want to see the solution of any one of the questions from 1 to 5 of the exercise, click the timestamp link given in the description box below this video. Exercise 5.2. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So let the number of people surveyed is equal to X. Then from the pie chart we can see that 10% of the people like classical music. Therefore, 10% of total people, that is X, is equal to 20. Fine. 10% means 10 upon 100 of is multiplication. X is equal to 20. X is equal to 0 will cancel with 0. Therefore, X is equal to 20 multiplied by 10. This is equal to 200. Therefore, there were 200 people who were surveyed. Now, the second question is, which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Again, from the pie chart, we can see that 40% of the people liked light music. Now, question number 3 is, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? So, we'll have to see the pie chart, and from that, we can make out that 40% of the 1000 CDs should be of light music. Similarly, 30% of 1000 CDs should be for folk music, and 10% of 1000 CDs should be for classical music, and 20% of 1000 CDs should be for semi-classical music. Therefore, number of CDs for light music should be equal to 40% of 1000 is equal to 40% is 40 upon 100 multiplied by 1000. Zeros will cancel with zeros and we'll get 40 into 10 is 400 CDs for light music. Now, number of CDs for folk music is equal to 30% of 1000. This is equal to 30 upon 100. In place of we'll write down multiplication into 1000. This is equal to 0 will cancel with 0 and 30 tensa is 300. Now, number of CDs for classical music will be equal to 10% of 1000, which is equal to 10 upon 100 multiplied by 1000. 0 will cancel with 0 and 10 tensa will be 100 CDs. And number of CDs for semi-classical music is equal to 20% of 1000. This is equal to 20 upon 100 multiplied by 1000. 0 will cancel with 0 and 20 tensa is 200. Question 2. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons, rainy, winter and summer. Question 1. Which season got the most votes? Now from this figure we can see that number of votes for summer season is 90, number of votes for rainy season is 120 and number of votes for winter season is 150. So winter season got the most votes. Now find the central angle of each sector. To find the central angle, we'll first find out the fraction of votes for each season. So the fraction of votes for each season, that is 90 upon total number of votes is 360. Then for rainy season, it will be 120 divided by total number of votes, that is 360. And for winter season, 150 upon total number of votes, 360. Okay. Now to find the angle, central angle for each sector, we'll multiply the fraction with 360 degree because one complete angle is of 360 degree. Therefore, the central angle will be, for summer season, it will be 90 divided by 360 multiplied by 360 degree. 360 will cancel with 360 and central angle for summer season will be 90 degree. Now for rainy season, 120 by 360 multiplied by 360 degree. This is equal to 360 will cancel with 360 and we'll get 120 degree for rainy season. Now for winter season, 150 by 360 multiplied by 360 degree. 360 will cancel with 360. We'll get 150 degrees for winter season. To draw a pie chart, first we'll mark center of the circle. Now from this center of the circle, from this point, we'll draw a circle of convenient radius we'll draw radius. Now with the help of protector, we'll draw 90 degree angle. Since central angle for summer season is 90 degree, so we'll first draw 90 degree angle. This sector of the circle will represent number of votes for summer season. The central angle for summer season is 90 degree. Now central angle for rainy season is 120 degree. So with the help of protector, we'll make 120 degree. We'll place our protector like this. From here, we'll mark 120 degree angle. This is 90 degree and this is 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree and this sector will represent number of votes for rainy season. And the remaining sector of the circle will be equal to 150 degree and this will represent number of votes for winter season. Question 3. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. We'll first find out fraction for each color, that is 18 upon total number of people, that is 36. 18 ones are 18 and 18 twos are 36. So this is equal to 1 upon 2. And for green, that is 9 upon 36. This is equal to 1 upon 4. Then 6 upon 36 equal to 1 upon 6. And 3 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 12. Then we'll find out central angle. To find out central angle, we'll multiply each fraction with 360 degrees. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 360 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then 1 by 4 multiplied by 360 degree is equal to 90 degree. Then 1 by 6 multiplied by 360 degree is equal to 60 degrees. And 1 by 12 multiplied by 360 degree is equal to 30 degrees. Now to draw pie chart, we'll first mark the center, then with the convenient radius, we'll draw a circle from this center. We'll draw a radius of the circle, and from this radius of the circle, we'll draw 180 degree angle with the help of protractor. This sector represents blue color. This is equal to 180 degrees. Now for green color, the central angle is 90 degree. This angle is of 90 degree. And this will represent green color. Central angle for red color is 60 degree. We'll draw 60 degree angle for red color. This angle is 60 degree angle, and this sector will represent red color. Remaining angle, this will be of 30 degrees and it will represent yellow color. Question 4. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. First, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. With the help of pie chart, we can find out marks scored in each subject. Total marks given to us is 540. Let us first find out marks for mathematics. Here central angle for mathematics is 90 degree. Therefore marks obtained in mathematics is equal to central angle, that is 90 degree, upon 360 degree complete angle multiplied by total marks 540. 0 will cancel with 0. 6 6 are 36. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2. 2 45s are 19. So 9 45s will give you 135 marks. Central angle for social science is 65 degree. Therefore marks obtained in social science equal to central angle 65 degree upon complete angle 360 degree multiplied by total marks 540. So this will on reducing will get 2 and here you will get 3. 65 3s is 195 by 2. So on dividing we'll get 97.5 marks. Now we'll find out marks obtained in science. Marks obtained in science is equal to central angle is 80 degree. Therefore 80 degree upon 360 degree multiplied by 540 marks. On reducing we'll get 2 here and here we'll get 3. Again 2 ones are 2 40s are and 3 40s are will give you 120 marks. Then marks obtained in Hindi. Central angle in Hindi is 70 degree. So 70 upon 360 multiplied by total marks, that is 540. 0 will cancel with 0. Here we'll get 3 and here we'll get 2. 2 ones are 2, 35s are 70. 35 threes are is 105 marks. Now marks obtained in English. Central angle for English is 55 degree. So 55 upon 360 degree multiplied by 540. So on cancelling we'll get 2 here and we'll get 3 here. So 55 threes are is 165 upon 2. On reducing we'll get 82.5 marks. First question is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? In Hindi, student scored 105 marks. Our second question is, how many more marks were obtained by student in mathematics than Hindi? In mathematics, student obtained 135 marks, whereas in Hindi, the student obtained 105 marks. Therefore, difference in the marks obtained in maths and Hindi is 135 minus 105. This is equal to 30 marks. Therefore, the student obtained 30 more marks in mathematics than in Hindi. Our last question is, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that in science and Hindi. So we'll find out the sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths. Sum the marks obtained in social science and maths is, in maths the student got 135 marks, whereas in social science the student got 97.5 marks, 97.5, which is equal to 232.5, whereas sum of the marks obtained in science and Hindi, science and is equal to, in science the student scored 120 marks, whereas in Hindi the student scored 105 marks. This is equal to 225. From this we can say that the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than the sum of the marks obtained in science and Hindi. Question 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. To draw a pie chart, first we'll have to find out central angle for each language. Then we'll have to find out fraction for each language and central angle. First we'll take Hindi. Fraction of students speaking Hindi is 40 upon Total number of students is 72. 8 fives are 8 nines are, which is equal to 5 upon 9. Find out central angle. We'll have to multiply fraction by 360 degree. 9 ones are 9 and 9 40s are, which is equal to 40 into 5 will give us 200 degree. Second is English. Number of students speaking English is 12. Therefore, fraction will be 12 upon total number of students, that is 72. 12 ones are 12, 12 six are, this is equal to 1 upon 6, and central angle is 1 upon 6 multiplied by 360 degree. 6 ones are 6 and 6 six are and 0. This is equal to 60 degree. Next is Marathi. Number of students speaking Marathi is 9. Therefore, fraction will be 9 upon 72. 9 ones are 9. 9 eights are 72. This is equal to 1 upon 8. And central angle will be 1 upon 8 multiplied by 360. 8 ones are 8 and 8 45s are 360 degree. Therefore, central angle for Marathi is 45 degrees. Next is Tamil. Number of students speaking Tamil is, fraction of students speaking Tamil will be 7 upon 72 and central angle will be 7 upon 72 multiplied by 360 degree. 72 ones are and 72 fives are is 360 degree. Therefore, central angle for Tamil is equal to 7 fives are is 35 degree. Next is Bengali. Number of students speaking Bengali is 4. Therefore, fraction will be 4 upon 72. This is equal to 1 upon 18. And central angle will be 1 upon 18 multiplied by 360 degree. 18 ones are 18, 18 20s are. Therefore, central angle for Bengali will be 20 degrees. Now we'll draw pie chart. To draw pie chart, let us first mark the center of the circle. The convenient radius. We'll first draw a circle. Let us first draw radius of the circle. Then with the help of protractor, we'll draw central angle for each language. Let us start with Bengali. Central angle for Bengali is 20 degree. This angle is 20 degree. This sector will represent Bengali. Now for Tamil, central angle is 35 degree. This angle is 35 degree. We'll mark this sector. Angle of this sector is 35 degree. And this sector will represent the number of students speaking Tamil. Now central angle for Marathi is 45 degree. From here we'll measure 45 degree. We'll rotate our protractor. We'll mark this sector. The central angle for Marathi is 45 degree. This sector will represent students speaking Marathi. Now central angle for English is 60 degree. This is 60-degree angle. This sector will represent students speaking in English, and the left part of the circle will represent students speaking in Hindi, and the central angle of Hindi is equal to 200 degrees. With this question, we have completed exercise 5.2. I hope you have understood all the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. It will be my pleasure to help you out with your doubts. Thank you.